Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to solve a new problem is coming for React developer, that if they create new React application like this, NPX create React app, and we give here app name my app, for example, press enter. So it give you unusual error. The error is the system cannot find the path specified. That means this create React app command is not running by default by this NPX. Why it is happening? Why this create React app is not running, not working, that we are going to discuss here, and we have two solutions for this. First solution I am explaining in this video, and second solution is a modified solution for creating a React application. I have a second solution, that is official solution by the React community. So why it is happening? If you know React better, you know that this React which we are creating from this command create React app, it is not a framework, it is a library, React library. So officially if you go to the site of React, this is react.dev, they are announcing that if you want to build a new app or a new website fully with React, we recommend picking one of the React powered framework. Means now officially React is not allowing to you to create any application by using only React library. So React community also promoting you, and you can say that forcing you to use any React framework in place of pure React library. That is the concern. So means from now officially create React app means CRA is not officially supported by React. That's why it is not available here in NPX. So what about now? We have a, you can say, rumor in the market that React is gone, React is finished, and we do not have a React. If you read it clearly, that if you want to use React, then you have to use React with a framework. So React is not going anywhere, React is not finishing, it's not dead. React is still available, but with the powerful framework. So what are the frameworks? Means you can use create next app. So with the help of this you can create a React application, but here you need Next.js. Then Remix you can use, Gatsby you can use, Expo you can use. Means you can use these frameworks, you see, but here you would not get any information that you should use React with create React app. But if you are a beginner and you want to still want to learn React, and your application is running or your company is using this, so what is the solution to use this? That I am going to specify here. Remember that by default this create React app is not available, but you can use to install it npm install create React app. And remember that do not put here -g, because by using -g we install it globally. Globally it not supported. Locally in this directory I am installing this for using. So I create this, I run this command npm install create React app. You see this as a library, this command will install here. So by default is not installed. If you update your node version, then this library is not supported. Now this library installed, so I say clear cls, and once again I run this command npx create React app my app. You see I run it, and it will create your React application, and you would be able to run your application also. You see it is starting, and I will have a new application my app name. It will take little bit of time. After long time we have created this application. So go to my app, and here you can say npm start. it will start your application, and you see that we have this npm directory, again we have this, and we have app.js also, the same file we have, you see, for React, and it will run this application. But remember that still it's a pure library using React. You see that after a long time we have a React page here, and we can learn this, we can modify, we can do anything whatever you want in this React application. But remember that it's a React library, we know officially that, but right now officially they have announced framework for React. So this project, this application is not for production ready because they are not supporting now for creating this, but for learning purpose you can use this library, and I give you the solution. If create React app is not working, then you can run this, you can install your package, you can create your previous React application by using this. But how long it will run and how much the React community will support it, that is questionable, because right now they have announced this and some informations are right now in beta phases. That's why they are supporting this also, which we are running, but maybe in future we may have some drawback here. But better to run this right now because we have some pending projects and we have some pending work that required create React app. So there is no problem right now, so you can create your application using this, and you can make your create React app workable, means you can make your CRA workable. And this is the one solution I have explained in this video. But if you want another solution that is officially announced by the React community, means if you don't want to use the framework and you still want to use the React library, but we have another way to do this, that I will explain you in the next video. That if your create React app is not working, then you can take help of official announcement from the React community. Means in place of create React app, you have to use another library for creating React application. What is this? That we will discuss in next video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.